What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Anyways, today's video is just gonna be a Fashion Nova try on. I purchased about 10 items from their website. This is my second time shopping with them. So at first I got mad. I was like, where's my stuff? I'm not gonna do no haul if they don't give me my items, but they came. So yeah. So if you have not already, please subscribe below and comment, like, share this video. Just give me your ideas. This is gonna be like just a haul on what you think, how they look on me. Alright, so I purchased 10 items from Fashion Nova. They are in these packages right here. So yeah, let's just get right into this video. Now I probably shouldn't be wearing a bra with this, but it just makes it look better. This is just a high-low dress. The only thing I don't like is you can see my butt. Like when I turn around, you can see my butt. But that's my fault because I should have did more research when I was ordering these dresses. But it's cute, like as like a nightgown around the house. But to go out with, no, sis. Okay, so this is the second one. This is like a high-low dress. I don't know if you guys can really see it. Goes all the way to the bottom. Really nice and elegant. I don't know how I feel about this one. I don't know, maybe because I'm short, but yeah, that is the second one. And then you also can strap it in the back. So yeah. So this is a royal blue jumpsuit. I've ordered it in a medium. Now it fits really snug. You don't have to wear a bra with it. I just gotta lay off my snacks and I'll be good. But yeah, it comes all the way down to your ankle. But I like it. I like the color. It looks good on my skin tone. Okay. So this is, woo, you can see my stomach from here. This is another, like, what do you call this? Like a bodycon dress. This is what the back looks like. I love the patterns on it. I really do. I need to lay off these damn snacks. But yeah, this is cute. This is kind of tight, but I mean, who is texting me? Hold on. But this is great for a night out. Not this size. This is a medium. I should have got a large because you can see this little pouch right here. But other than that, I like the dress. I like how it looks. Yeah, it's really nice. You can wear a shawl with it, but I mean, I like it. So, you know, and it was only $12. So that is another shit right here. It's like, nah, but yo, I like this. I really do like this a lot. Like from the little crop top to like the little thing on the side. This is cute. This is so cute. This is mad cute, y'all. It's also in a size medium. Yes, I like this. See, sometimes it's like a hit or miss with Fashion Nova, but I think it was on sale. This one was on sale as well too. So yeah, that's how the back looks. I should know. I kind of like you already. See, I like this. Don't look at my rose, but this is so cute. Like, look at the pants. Look at the pants. Oh, I like this. Just get my stomach right. We'll be all set. This fits. I like this. This is real cute. When you are on the beach and you got like a little drinking stuff. I was gonna say shit, but stuff. You gotta be PG. 13 up in here. But ooh, not this chain, but I'm gonna find me a nice chain that go with this outfit. Pop it. Oh my god, I can't wait. Oh my god, I can't wait. Okay, so this is way too tight. Ooh. Way too tight. This is a small. This is how a small looks, and these are a medium in the skirt. The skirt goes up to my knees. But yeah, this is way too small. I got this in a yellow too. I'll show it to you guys. So I bought a pink one just like this, just to match. I didn't want to put it on because it's too small. Like, when I go to put it on, I can't even, I'm not about to struggle. And no, this is in a small, this top is in a small, these bottoms are in the medium, but other than that, no, we'll pass on those outfits. Alright, so that is the end of my Fashion Nova haul. If you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe below if you have not already. And hit the notification button if you would like to get notified whenever I upload videos to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. And yes, comment below.